Ayan, so yung Mystery Marbles guys is that like a... Hi guys, so quick update tayo dito kay Gumball, which is meron silang bagong inilabas na FAQs, no, confirmations ng kanilang airdrop. So dito pag-uusapan natin itong bagong FAQ nila and confirmations nga dito guys sa airdrop, no. So as we can see, meron tayo ditong pinaka Mystery Marble. Yung mga updates dito guys from the past videos natin, lalay ko na lang sa end part ng video na to guys, no? So this is only a quick update lang. But before we start, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na to, please like this video first. Subscribe nyo yung YouTube channel natin, turn all the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel. Recently nga guys, meron silang nilabas dito na FAQs. As mentioned dito, yung airdrop season 1, nagsimula ito nung December 19 o last year. Tapos yung season 2 is scheduled to end sa May 4 pa ito. And they also mentioned dito na they don't have any plans yet. Once na matapos yung season 2, hopefully it will have this confirmation, some TGA as well or token generation event. Again guys, this video is just for ideas lang, no, for reference. Does not qualify as an investment or financial advice. Hope you got some ideas dito. And sa mga nagtatanong, meron ba talagang airdrop dito? So this is actually an FAQs that we can read naman dito. Yung mga confirmations halos nandito naman. Ayan, so marami pa ditong mga FAQs na pwede nyong puntahan guys. Pwede nyong basahin yung official link na ito. I'll drop na lang sa description ng video na to para mapuntahan nyo. So nasa Notion nila to. So for now, punta muna tayo dito guys. Confirmation ng kanilang token, yung pinaka-ticker, no? So si Wormhole is W. Ito naman si Gumball guys is G, no? Ito. So the ticker for the future token nila is G. So the name is yet to be decided. So ito yung pinaka-logo. Yung token release as mentioned nga dito is that to be decided pa, no? So TBD, or meron ba silang burn system? I think this is good if meron sila. This is like a deflationary mechanism just to lower yung supply. Yun, you can just go in here guys. As we can see, meron tayo dito 167 314 Mystery Marbles. Ayan, so yung Mystery Marbles guys is that like a points, no? Like a rewards that can measure kung gaano ka dito ka-active sa mga quest dito or mga ginawa mo dito. Just like for example sa quest, daily quest, meron ditong daily quest. Every day naman ginagawa ko to just to check-in lang dito, daily check-in. So nasa episode or FO4 na ito. Simple as that guys. Dito sa my page ko din, we can check. I have this mint tickets dito sa week 3, tapos week 1 natin ito. Dito naman sa Dare ay just play the Dare lang naman. It's a basing game. I think that's it for today guys. It's a basic update lang dito for Gumball update dito. They have this FAQs. Yung pinaka-details dito guys, lalagay ko na lang sa description ng video na to para mapuntahan nyo. Feel free to ask questions guys, no, if you have questions dito so that I can make more content dito based from your feedbacks and questions guys. So kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung videos ko dito guys kay Gumball is that, click nyo lang tong video na to and see you sa video na yun guys. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.